Now we're going to talk about the Poisson probability distribution function. So there's three main characteristics of a Poisson. It's an experiment that's concerned with the number of times an event takes place in a particular interval. So you use it extensively in the field of reliability. The random variable x is equal to the number of times that the event takes place in a particular interval, and mu is the average in the particular interval. So some of the notation, the random variable x counts as the number of time that the event takes place in the specific interval, and x follows a Poisson distribution with parameter m, and we write this: x is a random variable with a Poisson distribution. We have a couple shortcuts. You can find the mean as n times p, the variance is mu here, and then the standard deviation is the square root of mu. So let's take a look at an example. Suppose that a number of accidents in a week at a particular intersection is on average 1. The interval is 1 week, so mu equals 1. We're going to let x equal the number of accidents that occur in 1 week at the intersection. So x takes on the values of 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. The mean is mu equals 1, so x is a random variable with a Poisson distribution of 1. The variance is 1, and the standard deviation is 1 accident. So we are going to find the probability that 2 accidents occur in 1 week. This means that we are finding the probability of the random variable equal to 2. So let's go ahead and do this in our calculations. We are going to hit second and then go to distribution. We're going to go down and find the Poisson PDF and use that, hit enter. Then our n value is 1, comma, we're trying to find when our random variable is 2, close parentheses, and we get our answer of 0.1839. So 18.39% probability that 2 accidents would occur in 1 week. Let's go ahead and look at number B, letter B. Find the probability that at most 2 accidents occur in 1 week. So let's find the probability that x is less than or equal to, so you might see it written that way, and that's fine too. So at most means less than or equal to. So we're going to hit second distribution, excuse me, go down to Poisson CDF, hit enter. The CDF is the cumulative because it's less than or equal to, and we get an answer of 0.9197. So 91.97% chance that at most 2 accidents will occur in 1 week.